In this video, we're going to look at the top 5 bow stabilizers for hunting available on the market today. We made this list based on our own opinion, research, and customer reviews. We've considered their quality, features, and values when narrowing down the best choices possible. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So, here are the top 5 best bow stabilizers for hunting. The 5th product on this list is the SUNYA Expedition. This handy unit is made to reduce vibration noise and absorb shock. It makes archery more enjoyable and decreases the chances of pain in your bow arm. This is because a bow's vibration is usually a high-frequency force that can hurt the shooter and lead to tendinitis. With the continuous improvement of hunting bows, stabilizers no longer need too many shock absorbers, as bows have their own rubber blocks that take care of it. That means products like this can be sleeker and more suited to practical archery. You will like that this device is ultra lightweight, and it has a flexible carbon fiber body with a matte black polished aluminum end base for better durability. There's also a 3-inch solid damping system with weights. The dampener system has an overall length of 8 or 10 inches, with a stackable weight of 2 ounces for 2 pieces, allowing you to DIY your personal weight. It can be used as a rear stabilizer, helping you make perfect shots. Another advantage is that the matte black electrophoretic weight surface looks excellent and avoids alerting the prey by concealing the noise. This new tech expedition is designed for bow hunting and tactical techniques. What's more, it has a 1-year warranty and has excellent customer service. Its pros are, it is super lightweight, it has a unique configuration, and it has a 1-year warranty. However, it has non-standard weight threads on the front. The SUNYA Expedition is a great product for improving your grouping. Up next in 4th place is the GHA Archery Stabilizer Set. Are you looking for a high-quality bow stabilizer to help you become a better archer? Then, the GHA Archery Stabilizer Set is for you. It is for compound bow hunting with a quick disconnect mounting. It is made to absorb vibrations in the bow at the shot and reduce shock. You will like the sleek body and that it is available in the length of 6 to 12 inches, which offers you some customization options. Another advantage is that it is easy to install and disassemble, making it convenient to use. It reduces vibration, helping to smooth the aiming process by increasing its inertia. It has a lightweight carbon fiber body with an aluminum base, making it durable and reliable. This unit is a great way to help you become better and improve skills for possible competitions. Additionally, the GHA Archery Stabilizer Set helps to make your bow more silent and will not alarm the prey. It will make an excellent gift for any occasion such as birthdays, Christmas, or anniversaries for those who love bow hunting. Its pros are, it is easy to install, it reduces vibration, and it is lightweight. However, it might be a bit uncomfortable to use at first. The GHA Archery Stabilizer Set is a fantastic unit for improving your accuracy. Still haven't found a bow stabilizer for hunting that meets your needs? Well, keep watching because we have more lined up for you. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive notifications of our next videos. The 3rd product on this list is the CBE Torx Stabilizer Kit. Become a better archer by using bow stabilizers that add weight in the right places. The CBE Torx Stabilizer Kit helps you maximize your bow stability this season. It is built around 2 lightweights with high modulus carbon Torx X stabilizers. This kit can help bow hunters optimize their bow stability during and after the shot. You will like that this vibration-reducing stabilizer also comes with 2 ounces of black nitride stainless steel weight for customized balance and a Torx X single bow mount adapter to use in front of the riser. This enables you to mount both stabilizers at once in opposing directions for optimal balance and stabilization. You'll also find that it has high mod lightweight carbon and has a length of 7.5 inches and 11 inches for the stabilizers, making it reliable and durable to take with you on your hunting adventures. It's ideal for those wanting to learn archery techniques and improve their form while hunting. Its pros are, it has a mount adapter, it is adjustable, and it is straightforward to set up. However, there's no quick disconnect system for the front stabilizer. The CBE Torx Stabilizer Kit is a fantastic unit for any archery enthusiast. The second product on this list is the Bee Stinger MicroHex. If you're looking for a well-made stabilizer that will get the job done, look no further than the Bee Stinger MicroHex. It is a bow stabilizer with a very well-earned reputation. This is a wind-slicing micro-diameter stabilizer, the first one on the market. Up until 2018, no one had seen this kind of unit in the market. It offers quicker damping and reduces the recoil of your bow, making a smoother and quieter shot. This is all done without adding weight or sacrificing stiffness. It boasts a whopping 40% reduction in vibration. You will reach a perfect balance and offset the weight of your sight or other bow accessories. It is very adaptable and simple to set up and adjust. The counter slide offers almost limitless configurations for you to reach that sweet spot, whether it's for hunting or target practice. You will love the 5 individual 1-ounce weights that you can place in the front or the back. Even better, the stabilizer is removable to make packing and travel more accessible, and it can extend up to 15 inches to suit your stance preference. Its pros are, it has an effective design, it can be minutely adjusted, and it's very travel friendly. However, some users found the back bars make it a little cumbersome. The Bee Stinger MicroHex is ideal for hunting and shooting in windy conditions. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Finally, the top bow stabilizer for hunting is the Trophy Ridge Hitman Kit. Anyone who has spent time shooting a bow knows that keeping the bow steady is very important. And when you are out hunting and have that buck in your sights, the last thing you want to do is miss because you couldn't keep the shot steady. This kit comes with a 10-inch and 8-inch stabilizer bar. They both increase balance, reduce noise, and lower vibrations. When you are at full draw and having to hold that shot, that is where you will feel the effects of this stabilizer. You will love that each bar has 2 weights that can be removed or added to create a custom balance. Both bars also have color bands that can be taken off and changed to an assortment of colors for further visual customization. At the connecting points are machined grooves that allow you to adjust the angle of the counterweight bar in tiny increments till you get that balance just right for your bow. Additionally, it can be moved to the left and right and up and down. Another feature you will appreciate is the quick disconnect joints are the bars that let you attach and remove in seconds, so your bow can stay compact for storage and travel. So if you're an avid bow hunter who wants to be more precise, this is the unit for you. Its pros are, it can be adjusted in small increments, it has quick connect joints, it is lightweight, and it has removable weights. However, one of the color rings can be difficult to change. The Trophy Ridge Hitman Kit is for people who want to be able to really fine-tune the balance of their bow. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. If we helped you out in any way, please hit the like and subscribe button. We'll see you guys in the next videos.